Hi everybody, welcome to Bell CB again. We have an RCI-2970N4. This is for Victor in New York. He asked me to do a whole bunch of stuff with this one. We put the colored panel in blue. It used to be just white. Alright, we have a record playback module here. In the back, just two switches. The one closest to the fins is the amplifier on and off, which I presently have off. And the next switch is TalkBack, so you can hear that recorder when you need to. And I'll turn it off. So we have a couple different power scales. We got the three different powers with the switch off and then with it on. So we'll start at the low like we usually do. So the amp switch is off and the front's turned all the way to low. We got 10 watts in the top scale, just under 1. If I turn the knob all the way up, it gives us 5. That's this knob here. Okay. Peak power down there. Audio, check that. Close to 40. And then we'll set it to sideband. Audio, check. Audio. Just over 20 there. Okay. When the amp is off, it seems like the sideband is so small. It's because it can't be allowed to overdrive the amp. When it's turned on, it needs to be turned way down. Okay, so let's go back to there. Now I'll go ahead and I'll throw that switch in the back to on. Turn this back down low again. And this side we'll take out the 50 and put in a 500. Alright. Now back over here, we'll put it in a 100 watt scale instead of 10. So all the way down is 10 watts. And all the way up is 100. Our peak is 500. It says it's 3, 4, 5. So AM with 100 watt day key audio. It's about 450 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll bring it over to sideband. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Okay, so there's 400 sideband. What else do I want to show you? Well, you can say the recorder. If anyone's talking, let's see. I'm going to turn on the TalkBack here in the back. Press play. I don't have to hurry because it's not going to play. It's not going to play until I hit the key right here. That's how I want it up to.
Land here down, Bahama. You got to come beyond 436. Land here down, Bahama. You got to come beyond 436. Man, you got a fan going or something.
That's it. You hear that goes from. Okay, so that when you're done, it'll stay in there until the next time you record something. Just put it in the off position in the middle. And I mean until the next time, so it could be a week later, and you put it to play and hit key, and it's going to play what you had in there a week ago. Alright. Check. You turn the TalkBack off if you want afterwards. Check. Alright. And that's it there.
Big checker, ain't no doubt, man. Sounds good. Hello, 418. Hello, Mr. 418, downtown Bahamas, Disco and Georgia, crank off.
And Breaker 19 for a radio check. How about a 905? Can I get a radio check down here in Florida? Come on. Yeah, 324, loud and clear down here. Sound good. What do you say? Well, I just came down here to get a quick radio check. I'm going to back out.
Alright, take care now, Florida.
All right, bye.